Welcome guys, Cream Boss back again with another reaction video. To check out what that Ill, Blue, Feet, M24 and Unknown T Dumper music video. So we're gonna check this out and see what's going on.
Ill, Blue.
Lock it. You better lock this big boy rocket. Slop it. What you wanna do is slop it. I made about 15 quid. I might just look at shopping. Just stepped in a Mary jeans. And I like how these
Yo, at the second, I can feel like a sick ass rhythm gonna appear on me. I'm gonna replay this because I'm actually sensing the rhythm coming. I'm sensing the rhythm, bruh.
What you wanna do is slop it. I made about 15 quid. I might just look at shopping. Just stepped in a Mary jeans. And I like how these J1 shopping.
Wait! Is that Vybz Kartel, bruh? Is that the world boss? Is that the world boss?
Pop that up on a dumper truck. Let me see you whine and twist it. I was really outside on chingins, dig it, bend that back and fling it. She wanna do me, she wanna do me cause of my name. Yeah, she does. She probably wanna do me cause of the fame. She thinks I'm famous. Or maybe it's cause of my chain. Maybe. Or maybe cause she knows that a nigga gets paid. Swing it, chef it, bad B, one tech it. Smoky, settings, won't left it. You get it.
Wait,
I'm
peck
married to
it.
the street, no
Wait.
wedding.
He said peck it. That's like doing the thing, right?
Shouting out
UK
shows I'm
slang,
shutting
right?
down. Every day I'm getting that bread in, and I'm building up my man's brethren.
Dumper choke. Yo, the T chat.
On a dumper truck, let me see you whine and twist it. I was really outside on chingins, dig it, bend that back and fling it. Pop that up on a dumper truck, let me see you whine and twist it. I was
I
really
like how they
outside
did
on
the video,
chingins,
like
dig
the
it,
gaming
bend that back
feature
and
and
fling it.
everything like
Bad
that.
things with a bumper, jig it, bumper, clout, arch and bring him. Jesus, peace, got
Oh!
diamonds blinging. Smoking a dance with women. My older bros days on a back road spilling. Same way I got my young tucks drilling. Cock it, block it, fling out your ass. Honey, shake that waist, let me feel that kitten. Burst this champagne open. I just came back on the streets. Black bitch 5 for free. Nails on fleek with a.
Yeah, we're not telling lie. We like them girls that still, to me. The girls are nice. We're not telling lie.
Come fuck with a tuck, honey, shake them cheeks. She got both her hands on toes and knees like damn, what a great technique. Shake that whip on the beach.
Yo, listen. Not sure the ladies in my bay. Big dumper truck. You see me? That doesn't mean like the girl must be like this. Flat like this. You see me? That doesn't mean like this song can't go for them, you see me? Not because
Pop that up on a dumper truck. Let me see you whine and twist it. I was really outside on chingins, dig it, bend that back and fling it. Pop that up on a dumper truck. Let me see you whine and twist it. I was really outside on chingins, dig it, bend that back and fling it.
Like, let me see that bumper, bring it, fling it, bend your back and then dig it. Don't move loose, every day I'm with it. Move that gauge in a dance, I fidget. Brown skin babe when I glance like, yo, let me grip those digits. Dumper truck, yeah, wine and
that's
fling
what
it.
I like the
MC,
editing
I'm so
video.
timid.
The editing video look nice. Clean.
Watch a real bad boy come break it. Running 2 tons in a spaceship, even the CID think that I made it. Yes, I got bear man hating, but I know deep down they rate it. Say they wanna get me down, nigga, I'm still head waiting. Pop that up on a dumper truck. Let me see you whine and twist it. I was really outside on chingins, dig it, bend that back and fling it.
Oh my god.
Pop that up on a dumper truck. Let me see you whine and twist it.
Can me say they actually use the addict playing this now? That's crazy. Yo, show how world boss thinks it, isn't it? One thing large. I like what that girl said a while ago. Those two girls, I like what they said.
Ill, Blue.
Shit, it was a virtual game. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's the end of the reaction video. I like the visual of the song, and the rhythm is sick. And I like it. The UK grime have some nice rhythm, and it's the rhythm specifically built for UK grime, because I don't think those rhythms really work with dancehall. It could, but these rhythms are mostly for grime type music, and it's very good though. I'm not gonna lie, I like how they give